Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your coverage with Chubb beginner guide step. To activate your coverage with Chubb, begin by visiting the official Chubb website. Locate the customer portal link on the home page. Click on the link to access the portal. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, look for the sign up or register option. Fill out the required information, including your policy number and personal details. Create a username and password that you will remember. Once you have completed the registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the customer portal and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Policies section. Select the policy you wish to activate. Review the terms and conditions associated with your coverage. Follow the prompts to finalize the activation of your policy. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation notification via email. To ensure everything is in order, log back into your account after activation. Check all coverage details to confirm they reflect your expectations. If you encounter any issues, contact Chubb's customer support for assistance. Keep your policy documents handy for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.